In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to probability. So probability is the chance of something occurring. Now, there is a probability scale going from impossible all the way to certain, with evens being in the middle. So let's say you flip a coin, you have a 50-50 chance, so that would be evens. A probability of 0 means the event is impossible. So like look down here, you have a spinner, and the chances of that spinner landing on purple is 0 because there is no purple here. Probability of 1 then has to happen so the sun will rise tomorrow. 0.5 then, so a 50-50 chance. So if a baby's born, that it's a girl. Likewise, if it's a boy. Likewise, if you flip a fair coin, you have a 50-50 chance. Okay, so key thing here is you have a scale going from impossible to certain. Now, you can see also in this one here the probability of getting a score of 3. There's a 3 here and there's 4 chances, so 1 over 4 would be 0.25, which would be here, between 0.2 and 0.3. Now, experimental probability. So the probability of an event occurring is your successful outcomes over your total amount of outcomes. So if you look here, we have a bag of balls. So first of all, we need to get our total outcomes. So let's count how many balls are here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 in total here. So a probability for the first one, so the probability of green will be out of 12. So the probability of green, so there's one green ball, so we have 1 over 12. Probability of red now, so let's see how many red there are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so that'll be 7 out of 12. For yellow then, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so that'll be 4 out of 12, which could actually simplify then to 1 over 3 by dividing by 4. Probability of blue then, so there's actually no blue ball, so that would be 0 over 12, which would just be 0. Okay, because there's no way a blue can be picked. Now, the probability of not green. So the probability of not an event occurring is 1 minus the probability of the event occurring. So we already know that the probability of green is 1 over 12, so we just have to do 1 minus 1 over 12. So that is going to be 11 over 12. And that's it. Okay. I'm going to pause the video now. Let's see how you did. So the first thing I had to do, I want you to do the same. I want you to try this one yourself. When you want to see the solution, 12, press play 8, 5, and 15 to get the total amount, which was 40. So then the probability of red, so there's 12 red, so 12 over 40 simplifies to 3 over 8. For black then, there's 15 black balls, so 15 over 40 simplifies to 3 over 8. For blue then, 5 over 40 simplifies to 1 over 8. The last one then, green or black, so we had 8 green, 15 black, so I added those together. So that got me 23 over 40, which will not simplify. Okay, so let's try one more here. So again, pause the video, and when you want to see the solution, press play. Okay, let's see how you did. So like the previous one, I had to add up my totals. So the 10 white, 12 black, and 8 red got me 30. So then, probability of white, 10 over 30 simplifies to 1/3. Black then, so 12 over 30, this will simplify to 2/5. Black or white, so when you see or, we're going to add. So 12 plus 10 is 22. So 22 over 30, which is 11 over 15. Not red, so then 1 minus 8 over 30, 22 over 30, which gives us 11 over 15. Then finally, not red or black, so 1 minus red or black, so 12 plus 8, because we have 12 red and 8 black. 8 red, 12 black. And then, so that gets us 20 over 30, So take from 1 gives us 10 over 30, which simplifies then to 1/3. Okay, so we'll just do one more example. Now, up at the top here, probability can be written as fractions, decimals, or percentages. So far it's just been fractions, but remember fractions, decimals, and percentages are all interchangeable. So in this question here, we have a school dinner menu. So we have curry, sausages, fish, and casserole. But we can see there that the fish is missing. So part A, we need to work out the probability of the dinner option being fish. Now, remember, probability has to add up to 1. Okay, it's always between 0 and 1. So let's add up these first. So I'm going to have 1 minus 0.36 plus 0.41 plus 0.09. So this will get us 1 minus 0.86, which will be 0.14. So that's the probability of fish. Then for B, what option is most likely? So the one that has the highest probability. So we can see that that is sausages. For C then, work out the probability that it is a curry or sausages on any particular day. So the curry is 0.36 plus then sausages, so 0.41. And then this will get us 0.77. Finally then, for it not being casserole for part D, just do 1 minus 0.09, which is equal to 0.91. And that's it.